However, globalization also brings a lot of negative impact on the local culture. The negative impact of the globalization includes the first is lost the cultural identity. Local culture often threatened by global domination, which can lead to the loss of local tradition and values. The second is
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to MTSB Podcast.
MTSB,
Choice,
credible,
high quality,
objective,
integrity,
construct Amalia Alisuna.
excellent.
So, today we were going to talk about the influence of globalization on the local culture. Before we start, let me introduce ourselves first. My name is Fakri Rahmawati and I am from 8.1, and this is my partner.
I'm Malini Satisna Putri and I'm also from 8.1. So, can you explain to me what is mean of the globalization, Faira?
Okay, the globalization is a gradual process of interaction and integration between different entities, individuals, and also countries throughout the world.
So, that's mean globalization has two different sides. There is a good or a positive and a negative side.
Yes, you're right, Melin. On the one side, globalization brings a lot of information and also innovation. For example, we can access the other culture via internet. On the other side, the young generation will be more influenced by the foreign culture. For example, the young generation prefer to choose the music international pop while the traditional Indonesia music.
So the positive impact of the globalization is we can share our local culture to by the social media and introduce our local culture. And the second is we can make or we can introduce our local culture in social media, and we can make to be a famous of our local culture.
There are still many of positive impacts of the globalization on the local culture. However, globalization also brings a lot of negative impact on the local culture. The negative impact of the globalization includes the first is lost the cultural identity. Local culture often threatened by global domination, which can lead to the loss of local tradition and values. The second is the cultural commodification. Local culture can become an object of commercialization, which can bring loss of the uh, right values and also the social function. The third is can be more influenced by the foreign people. Society can be more influenced by the values and also lifestyle of foreign people. If the young generation do not have a nationalistic attitude, this will make the Indonesian nation destroy because of the resilience will be weaker and also can more easier to penetrate by the other countries. So, Maylin, it is important for us as the young generation to preserve our local culture. Based on your opinion, how can we preserve our local culture in the current era of globalization?
Okay, my opinion is the first is we can make our local culture with sharing with another country by the social media. And the second is we can spread or be sharing about the meaning and the meaning and the local culture of the our local culture by the social media also. So
Yes. So, the conclusion is it is important for us as a young generation to preserve our local culture even in the current era of globalization. The goal is for maintain the identity as a Indonesian citizen which has many cultural local culture.
So this is I think enough for me, and thank you Faira for sharing the information of the globalization of the local culture.
Yes, you're welcome, Melian. See you.
So see you next time.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.